up, everybody? So, my grandma sent me a card with some moolah in it. Christmas card, which is awesome. And so I borrowed $60 from my mom. And, well, bam. I got my toolkit. So, I figured I'd do a little unboxing video for you guys. It came up to, well, I got the toolkit, and then I got one set of these. And it came up to a 182 something or another. I still got to get the bigger set for these hole drilling. And if my phone will act decent, probably not. Figured I'd crack her open and see what she's about. Of course, now the dogs are like, is it? No. Try that again, since my phone wants to be dumb. But, of course, now that I start cracking it open, the dogs all think, is it for us? No, no, no. Ugh. Gotta put you guys down for just a second. Here, have a box there, guys. Alright. That'd be one heck of a toy for you, Mick. So, it's got nice clamps on it, like that. Ooh. It almost bit me. Sweet. Now, anybody that wants their vans work done, come on, there we go. And you're in the Clovis, New Mexico area for now. Like I said, in about 6 months to next fall, I'm going to be in Arizona. But yeah, we got sorts of hex bit drivers, some little stubby screwdrivers, lineman lululus, wire cutters, needle nose pliers. Got some little fine tools here too. And we got the big screwdrivers. Oh. This is a sweet, sweet toolkit. And this is a screwdriver that's for grabbing. It's got a pincher on it, so you can, I don't know if that's going to show up right. There we go. So then it's, I believe it's for grabbing. I'm assuming it's for grabbing. That is what I'm going to say it's for. Therefore, that's what it's for now. Yeah, this has got a nice foam. Ooh. Ah. Got more Allen wrenches. Some nice little stout. What, Mick, do you want to do some wrenching? You guys learn how to do the underneath of the vehicle because you're shorter. You guys learn how to do the underneath of the vehicles? I'll do the top end stuff. How about that? Deal? Pay for your own kibble? We got 5/8, and then this is kind of cool. Somebody said they didn't really like this because they could see it breaking, which, yeah, I could see that. Get her open. Nice. We got some. Oh God, I can't even think of what they're called now. Some of these. We got some of these. This one right here is the one I needed, so I can remove seat belts. Like in the back of my mom's van, she's got the seat belt there. I got the seat belt up behind that shoe saver thing, but I needed one of these to get the seat belt out, to get the mount and stuff, so it's out of the way, which will free up a little bit more room. We got a little bit of everything here. Bunch of star heads, more Allen wrenches. I think these are called torque bits because they're in the, for the wrench. Somebody will probably go, "You're a fucking idiot." Excuse my language, but somebody will do that. It's not what they're there for, stupid. Duh. Oh, got some nice big flex heads. I may not know what the tools are all called, but you know what? I know how to use them, and that's all that matters. So anyone who wants to judge me can lick my booty hole. Excuse my language again. Alright, so that's the first layer of goodness. Oh yeah. Mix like, oh yeah. Screw your tools, play with me. Oh yeah. Ooh. Got a nice little I can't think of what these are called right now. Wait, it'll say it right there if I just open up my eyes. Flex handle driver. Breaker bar. This is another breaker bar. Like, I'm assuming that's so you can get both hands on it. Like, but again, someone will go, "That's not what it's there for, stupid." And I'll go, "Okay. Never claimed to have gone to school for this stuff. Just know what I'm doing from learning." But yeah, I got some nice little ratchets here. It's nice. I like it. They're nice. They feel really nice and heavy duty too. Like my buddy in Minnesota, he's got snap-on stuff, and these feel the same quality as the snap-on ones. Except I only paid, well, with that other thing, $182 for this. He paid probably like close to $10,000. Actually, he's probably got about a lot more than that tied up in his tools. Then we got some nice deep socket ones. Oh, that's heavy. Oh. Let's move it on over. Oh. I'll go put that back. Ooh. Some nice extender bars here. Really nice long ones. Mick, not everything is for you. It should be, I know. Nice big ratchet. Yeah, these are nice. I'm very much looking forward to working with these. Look at that. I don't know if, yeah, you could see his breath. Is that chilly in here? Yeah, and I stole my mama's heater. I stole my mammy's heater. I'm gonna move that down to the floor. Oh my God, Sam, look at that breath. Look at the breath. Anyways, got some nice deep socket tools here too, or these things. Cause I can't think, I'm just all excited. Some nice big ones too. Like that, all the way from 1/4 inch. 1 1/4 inch. Nice. But yes, I am quite pleased with this toolkit. I'm happy. I've been watching so many reviews and other videos on it going, "Oh, I want that toolkit, I'm jelly." But, alright, I will talk to you guys later. Make sure to comment in the section below. Big thumbs up for this video, big thumbs up for the dog. Boop, boop. And, yeah. I will talk to you guys later. Deuces. Do you almost broke your neck? Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the tools, Mick. Look at the tools. I see him.